Fix and flip investing. 5 options for funding your flip. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Real estate investments are quite expensive. Not only do you need the money to purchase the property you will be flipping, but you will also need money for the improvements, repairs, and renovations that will be made along the way. Unfortunately, the real estate business is a tricky business, and there aren't very many traditional lenders that are willing to go out in support of your real estate investment business venture. Before we dive into funding your flip, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. The high expense of flipping houses means you're going to have to either fund a good portion of expenses yourself, or you are going to have to find some other means of financing your house flip. First things first, the less you pay in interest, the more money you bring home. You do not want to max out your credit cards in search of profits from a house flip if it can be avoided. Merchant accounts aren't much better, but they can help you keep better track of exactly how much money you are spending on the flip. One way that is extremely risky, especially if you're nearing retirement age, is to cash out your retirement funds. This is not attractive for many reasons, not the least of which is the fact that there are hefty penalties for doing this, and you are risking your retirement security. It is an option, however, if you are in a bind for your flip. If your flip is successful, the money can be returned or reinvested, and the profit from your flip can then help fund subsequent flips or other types of real estate investments. If you discuss things carefully with your family and decide that you are all willing to take the risk, you can also risk your home by taking out a second mortgage for the funds. Again, this is not the preferred method because the assumed risk is great for the security of your family. It is very important that everyone involved be aware that flipping houses is a risky investment. Not only is it risky because you aren't experienced, but the real estate market is fickle. Your house could sit for several months requiring expensive carrying costs before it sells. Forming a partnership is another way to share the risk and help lighten the burden when it comes to flipping houses. Keep in mind that this is a stressful business venture. For this reason, a volatile or fledgling friendship may not be the best risk for a venture such as this. If you choose a partnership, you need to carefully discuss the type of financial and labor investment that is expected of each partner, and the share of profit that each partner expects to receive as well. You should also consider carefully whether you are willing to risk the friendship for the sake of profits, or would you rather go with a partnership that isn't a close friend. Banks will typically fund a portion of the property costs if you can come up with an adequate down payment and show them a well thought out business plan. Do not rely on banks, however, if you have poor credit, lack a business plan, or do not have a sizable chunk of your own money to invest in the venture. If you want to learn how to find real estate deals, BirdDogBot can help. It's a software that helps investors find deals more quickly and efficiently. It also provides daily updates so you can evaluate current market conditions and real estate trends to make your investment safe by all means. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.